Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So, what's top of mind are AI powered factories, a really fascinating topic and a really interesting company to use as an example. Their name is Hadrian, and they talk about vertically integrated technology for high precision manufacturing modules, including quoting, programming, machining, and inspection. This is one avenue to reindustrializing in the US in a way that's going to be scalable and profitable to compete with China. For example, if you just think about the drone industry, China has a 90% market share, whereas the US produces almost none. Completely unacceptable. We have to get up to speed yesterday and scale up rapidly. So conventional methods will not work. So AI powered factories can achieve 4 times the uptime, which is a dramatic improvement in output and capability, 10 times the workforce productivity, which is just awesome. And then the most fascinating statistic of all is instead of taking 5 to 10 years to train resources, because after all, it's high precision manufacturing, you can do it in 30 days. So what should we be thinking about? Utilizing artificial intelligence and advanced technologies to scale up manufacturing and get ready for the future.